cherished followers, this is Superior Mass Center. Okay, our topic for today is basic statistics. Okay, and then we are looking at measure of variation or dispersion. Now, under the measure of variation or dispersion, we are looking at three things. We look at what is called mean deviation, we look at standard deviation, and then we look at the variance. Okay, now first of all, let's look at the A, which is the mean deviation. The mean deviation is the deviation from the mean. So if finding the mean deviation, we have to find the mean. Okay, in finding the mean, what we are going to do is that look at the data. This is our data here. Okay, we add all of them, and then we divide by the number. The data or the information we have is about what, 7 pieces, and then we total them to be 28. So when you divide the 28 by 7, we have 4. Okay, so therefore our mean deviation will be what, the second point, where we're going to subtract the mean from all the values. Okay, look at the mean, which is 4. Here we subtract the 4 from all the numbers there. Okay, so here the first one is 1 minus 4. Okay, and you see the sign which is put by 8, meaning that we cannot have a negative number. So therefore we just have to what, write the positive ones of it. Okay, so look at it. Finally, when you add all of them, you are going to get 12. Okay, now in finding the mean deviation, what we are going to do is that we divide the 12 by the number, which is 7. We put it into the formula. Okay, and then we divide the 12 by 7, which will give us 1.714. Okay, now apart from that, also we have what is called the variance. Okay, now the variance is also given by a sigma x minus the x bar all squared all over n. Okay, now in finding that, first you have to find the mean as usual, and then you square the deviation, which is the difference between the x and then the mean. Okay, so here the first one is going to be what, 1 minus 4, and then we get 3, and we square it to be 9. We do that to all of them. Okay, finally we'll be arriving at what, 28. Okay, so the 28, we are going to put it into this formula. Okay, which is projected there. The s square will be what, the sigma of the x minus the s by all squared over n. Now the s square will be what, 28 over 7. Okay, which will finally give us what, 4 squares. Okay, this is what is called the variance. Okay, then the standard deviation at this point is what, it is square root of what, the variance. Okay, so as we project it over there, you see the square root of the variance there. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing like what we did at the first point. We find the mean, we subtract the mean from the max, and then we square it. Okay, when you total all of them, it's going to give us 28. Okay, so finally we put it also into the formula, the square root of 28 divided by 7, and that will give us square root of what, 4, and finally it will give us what, 2. Okay, this is what we call measure of what, variation. Okay, and this one is non-positional. Okay, our next one will be looking at the positional variations. Okay, where we're going to be looking at the range, the interquartile range, the quartile deviation, and other things. Okay, please like, share, and follow our video so that we can continue to give you more. Hope to see you on our next video. Thank you very much.